Welcome to What Works. In this part of the course, we'll be highlighting specific examples of promising practices in the health domain. In 2014, I had the pleasure of interviewing Dr. Gro Harlem Brundtland, the former Director General of the World Health Organization. And among other things, I asked her about her experience in addressing and tackling the SARS epidemic. In this section, you'll hear talks that focus on immunization, global health governance, and also the relationship between women's health and human rights. Towards the end of the section, you'll hear a young colleague talk about what really worked in addressing Ebola and other highly infectious diseases. Please keep the conversation going on social media using the hashtag WhatWorksUIO.